To see how the new chairs will look with the table, what we want to do here is go to this website and upload a photo. And then, in the chat with the artificial intelligence, you need to paste the reference for the new chair and type in a request to replace the old chairs with the new ones from the reference. And then you just need to insert the reference for the new chairs, making sure everything is set up correctly. And at this point, what you need to do is simply paste the reference for the new chairs into the chat. This will ensure that the system knows exactly which chairs you're referring to, allowing it to make the right replacements seamlessly. And finally, to wrap things up, make sure you insert the reference for the new chairs once more. This step is crucial because it confirms that the system has all the necessary information to proceed without any hitches. Essentially, by doing this, you're ensuring that the transition to the new chairs is as smooth as possible.